What's up guys, Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm gonna give you 5 tips for snowboarding in powder. All right, tip number 1. Find the freshest stuff you can find and then send it. Nah, I'm joking. But on that note, we'll start off with, if you're willing to put in a little extra work, you're gonna find a little more awesome snow. Untouched line right here, not untouched line right here. Hike a little to the top, you're gonna get a super sick line. So if you see a gate and you can hike a little higher on a pow day, do it, and you might be surprised at how sick of snow you can find. Tip number 2, and this is for actually riding the powder. Obviously you want to be back seat, and that's going to help you ride. If you're not rocking a POW snowboard, you can shift your bindings back a little bit to help give you a little bit more of a nose raise through the snow so you're not tomahawking. But what I highly recommend is check out the 8 pressure points of your snowboard video, and you're really going to be riding the toe tail pressure point and that heel tail pressure point. When you have those 2 pressure points dialed in, leaning back and making turns and keeping your nose up will be super easy. Leg might burn a little bit the first couple times, but once you get that couple POW days in, you'll be good to go. Tip number 3. I know, like to say, no friends on a POW day, but what's up? No way, let's get that sticker. No, you're good. What's your name?
Hannah.
Nice to meet you, Hannah.
Sorry.
So tip number 3, I know they like to say no friends on a POW day, but by riding with your friends, you actually make sure each other are safe. Benton hit a tree on that one run, and we were able to make sure he was okay after hitting the tree. As you can tell, he's covered in snow. Are you okay? Benton, you okay? How you doing?
I hit a tree, but you were nowhere to be found.
Well, try to stick with your friends. Alright, tip number 4, on days like this, the snow can almost feel invincible, but you still need to be cautious. Just because there's a bump in the snow and it's covered snow doesn't mean it's not a rock, it's not a stump. You got to be aware of what's still under the snow. So obviously find the most untouched that you can ride, but when you see that weird bump kind of protruding in the snow like a shark, be aware of it. It might be a rock, it might want to throw you overboard. Tip number 5, and a lot of people don't do this, and I actually love doing it even not on powder days, put on that powder skirt that's with your jacket. And if you get a corresponding brand, so like I got a DC jacket and DC pants, well they have like a bib hookup that allows you to like have your jacket and pants become one, so then snow's not flying up your back, you're staying warmer on the mountain so that you can ride longer. You're not getting soaking wet when you're throwing all that snow up in the air. Now those are just 5 tips that I wanted to give you, but there's so many more tips for riding powder. So comment down below your favorite tip for powder. Let's help people get better at snowboarding, and that's the whole point of this channel. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so I can help you become the best snowboarders possible, teach you guys how to rip POW better, how to rip turns better, how to ride park better, all of that, guys. I have all of it on my How to Snowboard playlist. Check it out there. We've covered ollies, 180s, 360s. It's all there for you. And if you did like this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm, and it will bless me just like we got blessed with this snow if you guys smash likes. So more likes, maybe more snow. And also, it's a POW day. You can't not like a POW day. And a big reason why I wanted to drop this video is we're going to Silverthorne doing heli snowboarding. So this was a great warm up for us to go rip some touch insane pow snowboard. So check out the heli snowboard videos, and if you want an Evolution sticker to support trips like that or anything that I do, they're all linked in the description as well as hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. I have so much Evolution merch. It's the warmest merch in the game too, guys. So make sure you guys snag some Evolution merch. And if you do, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs in the vlogs. And if you're not following the Instagram, you're missing out. Follow my Instagram. I post a bunch of bonus extra content. The stories tell you we're riding in Red Gerard's backyard, or that we're having a sick pow day at Keystone. So if you're not following the Instagram, you're missing out on bonus content, so follow it. All right, Team Buckhouse, with that, thank you so much for ripping pow with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
Almost rode right off of this.
That's a cliff.
Right off the cliff.